Today, just a quick video about how I organize a chest freezer. Not an easy thing to organize, but we managed to get it done. I keep a legend on the top of my refrigerator of what is where. On the left side of this is, of course, a shelf. I think the motor's underneath it. And then I've got a center and a right, very deep. I also keep this here paper so that when I put flour or pastas in here to freeze for 7 days, I can write the date that I put it in, and I write the day that it's due to come out. So I try to make every effort to kill what's ever in there, and so far it's all gone well. I generally put most of my pastas into Mylar after that, but so far it's worked. I have the 2 baskets at the top, and then I use a series of bags and boxes. I keep the things on top that I get into the most. For cheeses that I do not wax, I keep a large box here in the back at top right with different cheeses, whether it's Velveeta, Philadelphia cream cheese, mozzarella, cheddar cheeses. And then I use a series of bags, and I just put pieces of cardstock on it so that I know what I'm dealing with. I don't keep any of my crabbing or shrimping bait in here. Got a lot of tenderloin packs, and I could not be more happy with a vacuum sealer. Nothing will freeze or burn that's in here. So it's the easiest way to organize for us. And then my husband loves his little french fries, his frozen fries he can do out on the grill. And I even seal a meal, things like lasagna packs for 1. Just as when I freeze ground beef, I'll shape it and I'll wrap it in wax paper. Then I'm able to put it inside of a food saver bag, and it will not remove any of that juice getting pulled up that can destroy your vacuum sealer. Here's the other layer in the freezer. Over here is, of course, the shelf where I think the motor's underneath. So then it's important, so that I know what's in there, to keep a legend on the top so they don't have to leave the top open too long. So now we're going to put the baskets back in, and that's the only thing remaining to go in. And there is a full and organized chest freezer. My kitchen, I think this is a French door freezer. I keep things with dividers on cardstock. Salisbury steaks I have made up, beef bones, the front, all the steaks. None of these will freeze or burn in these vacuum sealer bags. Same thing on the left. I have breast there in sealed bags, ground beef, and I'm sure you cannot tell, but inside this vacuum sealed bag, that meat is wrapped with wax paper. So it's easy to keep it organized on what I have so that I know where to get it when I need it. We get things on sale. I'd rather pay less now than more later. And we are solar powered battery backup, so I don't have a big concern about losing power and losing the things that I have stored. I choose to do the cardstock. Many people simply write on top of their freezer. It is like a big dry erase board, but sometimes I put too much stuff up there, I don't want to smear it.